So here at Moose's Repair, we get into some pretty thick stuff sometimes. So we got a Dodge heater core here. There's your old one. I've already installed the new one here. This one does require you to remove the whole heater box. So here's your whole heater box. There's your heater core. After you take this little stuff off right here, it slides right out. It's pretty simple once you get the box out. The hard part is this part. And this is a 2014 Dodge Ram 3500 gas. And it's a pretty good little job there.